Permanent hardness in water is due to the presence of fluorides and sulfates of options A sodium, potassium, aluminium, magnesium. As you know, permanent hardness in water is because of presence of sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. That's why option D, magnesium, is the correct answer. Means D is the right answer. Next question. When hard water is passed through a column of an ion exchange resin, the resin absorbs options A sodium ions, calcium ions, chloride ions, sulfate ions. As you know, when water is passed through resin, sodium ions of the resin are exchanged with the unwanted calcium and magnesium ions of the hard water. That's why option B, calcium ions, is the correct answer. Means B is the right answer. Next question. Jaundice is caused due to an increase in the amount of given option A, iron in the blood, red blood cells in the blood, uric acid in the blood, bile pigments in the blood. As you know, jaundice is caused by an excess of bile pigments in the blood. Liver ceases to function and eyes turn yellow. Patient feels weakness and fatigue. That's why option D, bile pigments in the blood, is the correct answer. Jaundice is caused due to an increase in the amount of bile pigments in the blood. Means D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following differences is true about soft and hard water? हमें करेक्ट डिफरेंस पहचानना है सॉफ्ट और हार्ड वाटर का. इट मेक्स गुड लेदर विद सोप हार्ड वाटर के लिए इनकरेक्ट है. इट मेक्स पुअर लेदर विद सोप. इट इज़ रिच इन सोडियम आइंस हार्ड वाटर के लिए इनकरेक्ट है. इट इज़ रिच इन कैल्शियम आइंस. इट यूजेस लेस सोप फॉर लॉन्ड्री भी इनकरेक्ट है हार्ड वाटर के लिए. इट यूजेस मोर सोप फॉर लॉन्ड्री. It leaves a messy scum is correct for hard water. It leaves no scum is also correct for soft water. That's why option D जो बिल्कुल करेक्ट डिफरेंसेस को शो कर रहा है इस वजह से D करेक्ट है. दैट इज हार्ड वाटर लीव्स अ messy scum means D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following compounds in agricultural waste cause water pollution? Fertilizers, oil and greases, pesticides, हैवी मेटल्स में से जो करेक्ट कंपाउंड्स हैं वो है नंबर 1 फर्टिलाइजर्स, नंबर 3 पेस्टिसाइड्स. दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 1 and 3 are the compounds which causes water pollution, that is fertilizers and pesticides. Means option B is the correct answer. Next question. When calcium carbide CaC2 reacts with water H2O, it forms. जब कैल्शियम कार्बाइड रिएक्ट करेगा वाटर के साथ तो हमें प्रोडक्ट में मिलेंगे कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और इथाइन. हमारे दोनों करेक्ट आंसर किस ऑप्शन में? ऑप्शन सी में. दैट्स व्हाई सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हेन कैल्शियम कार्बाइड CaC2 reacts with water H2O, it forms calcium hydroxide and ethine. Fluorosis is a waterborne disease which shows the symptom of given option weakening of teeth, loss of blood in stool, inflammation of the liver, loss of fluids from the body. में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज weakening of teeth. Means A is the correct answer. As you know, fluorosis is a disease caused by the consumption of excess fluoride. Fluorosis can cause bones and teeth damage. That's why option A, weakening of teeth, is the correct answer. Next question. Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, removes hardness of water by precipitating the impurities in the form of given option oxalates, sulfates, carbonates, bicarbonates. में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज carbonates. As you know, the addition of washing soda, that is sodium carbonate, removes the calcium and magnesium ions as the insoluble calcium and magnesium carbonate respectively. That's why option C, carbonates, is the correct answer. Next question. The water of swimming pools is treated with hypochlorous acid HOCl because it helps in the removal of given option odor, germs, color, turbidity. वैसे जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन बी दैट इज germs. As you know, swimming pools are cleaned by chlorination process. It is the addition of chlorine solution in swimming pools. Chlorine kills bacteria and other microorganisms. Chlorine itself does not kill, rather it dissociates in water to form hypochlorous acid and hydrochloric acid. Hypochlorous acid further ionizes to produce hypochlorite and proton. Both the products, hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite, kill bacteria and microorganisms. That's why option B, germs, is the correct answer. Sodium hypochlorite is often added in swimming pools because it kills pathogenic bacteria in water. Option C is the correct answer. Option A, B, D incorrect. That is, kills small insects in water, removes turbidity from water, removes unpleasant smell from water. Sodium hypochlorite is often added in swimming pools because it kills pathogenic bacteria in water. C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following waterborne diseases is responsible to damage bones and teeth? Given option cholera, typhoid, फ्लोरोसिस, हेपेटाइटिस में जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी, फ्लोरोसिस. सी इज द राइट आंसर. फ्लोरोसिस इज अ डिजीज caused by the consumption of excess fluoride. Fluorosis can cause bones and teeth damage. That's why C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following contains the majority, approx 97% of the world's water? Given option oceans, ice caps, glaciers, groundwater. में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए, oceans. Means A is the right answer. Oceans contains the majority, approx 97% of the world's water. Means A, oceans, is the correct answer. Sugar is an organic compound while water is not, but it is still soluble in water. This happens because between the sugar and the water molecule there exists a hydrogen bond. Means D is the correct answer. शुगर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है, वाटर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड नहीं है, फिर भी शुगर डिजॉल्व हो जाती है वाटर में. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके दरमियान हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग पाई जाती है. डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. A student heated temporary hot water in an electric kettle. After some time, he finds layers of scale around the walls of the kettle. The layers of scale are due to the deposition of calcium carbonate. B is the correct answer. As you know, temporary hardness is because of presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hardness of water is easily removed by boiling water. On boiling, calcium bicarbonate decomposes to produce insoluble calcium carbonate which precipitates out of the solution. That's why क्या हो रहा है, जब हम टेम्परेरी हार्ड वाटर को हीट कर रहे हैं तो जो कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट है वो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है इनसॉल्यूबल कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट में. दैट्स वाई स्केल किसके हैं, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट के बने हुए. दैट्स वाई बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. बाकी सारे ऑप्शंस इररेलेवेंट है. दैट इज कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, कैल्शियम सल्फेट, कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट. बी कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Runoff from agricultural lands that are exposed to fertilizers and pesticides enters into water bodies causing pollution. Which of the following washed away salts causes an overgrowth of algae in water that could lead to the death of aquatic animals? गिवन ऑप्शन सल्फेट सॉल्ट्स, फॉस्फेट सॉल्ट्स, कार्बोनेट सॉल्ट्स, बाइकार्बोनेट सॉल्ट्स में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन बी, phosphate salts is the correct answer. Because of phosphate salts, overgrowth of algae in water occur that could lead to the death of aquatic animals. B. Phosphate salts is the correct answer. Which of the following symptoms is observed in a person suffering from cholera? Cholera is an acute infection caused by the bacteria which may be found in water contaminated by human feces. Cholera causes severe diarrhea. That's why option D, watery stools is the correct answer. Means D is the right answer. Given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option D, that is watery stools. Chlorine is added in the water purification process to given option remove taste, kill bacteria, remove smell, ट्रैप सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज टू किल बैक्टीरिया. क्लोरीन इज एडेड इन द वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस टू kill bacteria, means B is the right answer. Which of the following is formed when water is decomposed at 2000 degrees centigrade? When water is decomposed at 2000 degrees centigrade, hydrogen and oxygen gas formed. सो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन ए जो करेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन गैस को, मीन्स ए इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स ऑफ कैल्शियम प्रिसिपिटेट्स आउट व्हेन हार्ड वाटर इज ट्रीटेड विद स्लेक्लाइम? स्लेक्लाइम इज कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, means calcium precipitates out in the form of carbonates. That's why option C carbonates is correct, because आपको पता है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट क्या होता है? इनसॉल्युबल होता है और then water becomes soft. तो means C carbonates is the correct answer. Next question, the formation of cecum makes hard water unfit to be used in. As you know, soap is the sodium salt of a long chain carboxylic acid. Hard water contains salt of magnesium and calcium. These ions react with the soap molecule to form an insoluble precipitate of calcium and magnesium salts of fatty acids called cecum. As a result, a large amount of soap is wasted in cecum formation. Thus, it reduces the efficiency of soap. That's why correct answer is option B, that is laundry. The formation of cecum makes hard water unfit to be used in laundry. Means B is the correct answer. Next question. An ion exchanger is used to remove permanent hardness from water. When the resin is fully used up, it is flushed with a concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Means option A is the correct answer. बाकी सारे जो ऑप्शन है वो इनकरेक्ट है. दैट इज कैल्शियम सल्फेट, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट. हमने कैसे पहचाना? कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम आयन की वजह से. सोडियम क्लोराइड यूज करते हैं हम टू रीजनरेट द रेजिन. दैट्स व्हाई ए concentrated solution of sodium chloride is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following statements describe the survival of fish and other organisms under frozen water in a lake? इन चारों स्टेटमेंट में से हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पहचानना है. स्टेटमेंट 1, ice act as an insulator is correct. Frozen water has maximum density incorrect है. फ्रोजन वाटर की मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी नहीं होती है. Fish adapted themselves according to the temperature is also incorrect. There is a uniform distribution of gases and nutrients in the lake. Means option 1 और option 4 क्या है? करेक्ट है. That's why D is the correct answer, जो रिप्रेजेंट करे दोनों करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स को. दैट इज 1 and 4. स्टेटमेंट 2 और 3 क्या है? इनकरेक्ट है. दैट्स वाई A, B, C इनकरेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट 1 और 4 करेक्ट है. दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन D is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following describes The term sterilization, given option, removal of odor, removal of turbidity, elimination of color, elimination of pathogenic bacteria में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन डी, elimination of pathogenic bacteria. The term sterilization means elimination of pathogenic bacteria, means D is the correct answer. Next question, sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, removes hardness of water by precipitating the impurities in the form of, as you know, the addition of washing soda, that is sodium carbonate, removes the calcium and magnesium ions in hard water as the insoluble calcium and magnesium carbonates respectively. That's why option A, carbonates, is the correct answer. सोडियम कार्बोनेट रिएक्ट करते हैं कैल्शियम सल्फेट और मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट के साथ ताकि कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट और मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट फॉर्म हो जाए जो क्या है, इनसॉल्यूबल है. दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन ए, कार्बोनेट्स, इज द करेक्ट आंसर.